In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can choose profitable affiliate programs so you can maximize your business. And of course, we want to create that passive income, right? That's what we do. We want to make money while we sleep. All right. So we're going to talk about that today on today's video. Hey guys, welcome. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch and welcome to my channel. And on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creatives. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. And why wouldn't you want to be, right? Well, come on over to my daily newsletter. I have a daily newsletter. I send out 3 quick and valuable tips Monday through Friday for my writer, publisher, and creative friends that are wanting to up level their publishing game every single day. And I'm helping you to do just that. Plus, I also have a free swipe file of 50 plus creative ways that you can turn your writing into cash money. All right. So come on over and join the newsletter. I put the link in the description. All right. So let's talk about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, well, affiliate programs is where you can sign up and you become someone's affiliate by going and promoting their affiliate with your special affiliate link. Now, they actually have to have an affiliate program, but you can sign up for them. Most of the time, you don't have to do anything but put your name, email, and maybe some other information they may ask. And then you get the opportunity as well to get money. So every time someone clicks on your link or they purchase whatever is from the link, you get that opportunity to get that money. And this is a great way. This is actually a great source of income in my business because I love to promote other people's products and services that align with my audience. And this really goes into the first point that I want to make is that you got to when it comes to you finding a affiliate program that works for you, you got to make sure that it aligns with your niche and your audience or niche. Okay. You got to make sure that it aligns. So for me, I talk about affiliate marketing because that's what I do. I talk about publishing. I talk a lot about digital products and PLR. So of course, when I'm sharing those resources, more than likely I am an affiliate because I've gained trust. I like the brand. I actually use them when I'm talking about that, but it aligns with what I do. Okay. So if you are a fitness instructor and that's what you do, you help people to get fit, it would make sense for you to be an affiliate with a company that provides workout gear or clothing and the dumbbells, and maybe even a company that provides healthy meals. So you got to make sure that it aligns and it makes sense for you and your audience. Okay. And plus it just makes it easy to share, right? Also, the second thing you want to make sure you do is research the commission rate. It all depends on their structure that they have. So most high commission rates are like digital products, like software, online courses. Those tend to offer a higher commission rate, like up to like 50%. I haven't seen anything more than 50%, but that's like the going rate between 40 or 50% is a great rate, especially when it comes to like digital products and things. But here's the thing. Here's the value in that is that when you consider those type of programs or digital products to sell and promote to your audience, you can really create passive income, especially software where the customer has to pay a monthly rate. So you get a commission off of the monthly rate. Like that's love. That's game changer. Of course, they have to keep the subscription. So if they decide to cancel the subscription, you can see your income go down. That's why you have to have a plan and a plan of action on how you're always going to constantly promote this particular digital product or course is great. Okay. So make sure you research the commission rates to see how much are you going to make. Okay. And how can that fit into your brand. All right. Also, make sure you evaluate the product or service and the quality. You want to make sure that you are only promoting products or services that you trust and you believe in. And I believe that you need to, in some form or fashion, have used it or currently using it in your business or however. You're going to find it very hard to promote something that you do not actively use. If you do not use it, you're not a part of it, what have you, then it's going to make it very, very hard. It's going to be very inauthentic as well. So make sure that you look for products and services that you use now. I promise you, most wherever you're purchasing your products and services, they probably have an affiliate link. If it's not listed on their website, you can also contact them to ask as well. Okay. Another thing I want you to think about is consider the conversion potential. So look at their sales page. Is it compelling? Like, why? Think about, why did you buy it? Why did you get into it? Look into their testimonials before you fill out to be an affiliate. You don't want to just be an affiliate for anyone, but kind of look at that stuff. Like, look to see, well, not just you want it, but will your customer base want it? Is the brand trustworthy? Do they deliver on what they say they're going to deliver on? So you want to really, really do your research when it comes to those affiliate programs, or before you decide to be a part of. Also, make sure you analyze their terms. Okay. And what I mean is, look for programs with longer cookie durations. And here's what I mean. If someone clicks on your link, and let's say they click on your link and they decide to buy a particular thing, but then they got distracted and they don't come back to their computer until a few days later, will it still track that they are going to buy from you? You know what I mean? So look at the cookies, look to see how long. Most of the products and services that I'm affiliate of, most of the time they have a 30-day cookie. So it does not matter if that person clicks off of that website and goes back to it 10 days later, it's still going to recognize that they clicked on my link. Okay. So yes, so make sure that you look at that. Make sure that you receive the sales no matter what. Okay, so ask about the cookie duration. Most of the time, if they have terms, they should have terms. If they are really an affiliate program, they will have terms to let you know this. Okay, if they don't, you want to run. Okay. Also, think about the payment threshold methods too. Like, what's the minimum that you can earn? There are some companies you have to earn a certain amount before they'll pay you out, which I totally understand, because as a business, if somebody just they get a commission of $2, you got to think about transaction fees and things like that. No, you sometimes they may hold it for 10 days, not 10 days, for $10. Some people, I haven't seen anything more than $10. They will pay out regardless. You know what I mean? So make sure that you read over the terms so that it fits where you want to go, because some people will, and they have the right to do that. They'll say, we don't pay out anything until you've made $10 or more. Some are $20 or more. Okay, so, and that protects their business, and it also helps them as a business owner, just in case somebody cancels or decides to bag out and those type of things. Make sure that you read the terms. Okay. Now let's get into support and resources. Do they provide support? Is it mandatory? No, but do they provide banners, maybe email templates, product images, and training resources? Do they provide that for you? Okay, most affiliate programs do. If you don't, and this is good if you don't use them already, but a lot of my program, I use them anyway, so I automatically will know what their branding looks like and all that good stuff. You just want to make sure that they have some type of resources and support to assist you. And this goes with saying too, if you're thinking about creating your own affiliate program with whatever product or service, it can be your books, it can be your merch, it can be your programs, it does not matter. Do you have the means to help support them, or when it comes to digital products. It is not digital products, but them promoting your, your digital product or whatever you have. Okay. It's not mandatory, but it does help make sales for you, as well as it helps the individual that's giving that support to you as being an affiliate. And that's how you have to look at it. They're supporting you while you're supporting them by paying them for advertising your company. So if for the people that say, hey, I need people to support my company, well, have an affiliate program and you're going to get a lot of people to support you. Okay. You have a lot of people that support you. All right. The next thing you want to look at is the monitor competitors and the trends. Okay. So when you're considering an affiliate program, you want to monitor that. So what's trending now? A lot of AI tools are trending. See if they have an affiliate program and see if that meshes well with what you have. If you are a graphic designer, you should be an affiliate of the tools that you use. You can do some YouTube videos showing them how to use the tool and they can sign up with your link. You have to get very creative, but you also have to look and see what's trending. Okay, because AI is trending. Of course, PLR is trending, especially here on YouTube in the sector of business and digital products and things like that. That's trending over here in my corner of the internet. It all depends on where you are. So you got to make sure you're monitoring the competition. It has to make sense. It has to make sense. So stay tuned, stay informed with trends so that you can make sure that the products and services that you are pushing make sense. Like right now, what's a major trend right now is TikTok Shop. That's a major trend. People are making thousands of dollars by promoting items in the TikTok Shop. The TikTok Shop, if you're on the platform TikTok, is another way for you to create or get customers for your products and services. Is that what, if that's what you want? The downside of having a TikTok shop, if you want to sell, is that you don't, just like Amazon, you don't keep your customers. You don't know who purchased unless okay, well, you probably will know because you have to ship it out. You would know that part, but you have to have a way to keep that data, for your customers. So yeah, so that's trending. The TikTok shop is trending. So that's a way where you can make money if you're not on TikTok already. If you like to promote things, you don't have products and services to promote, maybe TikTok shop will be that for you. Okay. And the last thing you want to do, you want to test and optimize. Okay. You want to test and optimize. Make sure you're checking out your affiliate links to see what's working. A lot of the affiliate programs, now where the tools that people use for affiliate programs, they will show you how many times people are clicking on things. If people are clicking, and you see that they're clicking, you got to try to feel, okay, they're clicking, why they're not buying, or they just clicking. There's one program, it's a PLR site that I'm an affiliate of, and I notice every time I share, I get a bunch of clicks, but no one has bought anything. So now I'm in the lab thinking, okay, how can I make this content live so that people will want to buy it? Okay, so now I have to come back and say, okay, maybe you need to create some type of content where they can see what they're buying. Okay, so that's a great thing to do with content if you're in the industry like me when it comes to PLR and things like that. Okay. All right. So I have a resource for you right below here in the description. There's a list of 99 plus affiliate programs. So you don't have to go look for them. Okay. So I have a resource for you. You don't have to look for them. They are right there where you can just click on them or click on it and get it for free. It's free. So go and get that down below in the description. And what I love about it, it goes into different categories. Okay. So it goes into different categories where you can become an affiliate and you don't have to do their research. It's done for you already. Okay. So go ahead and click the link in the description to get your free guide of the 99 plus affiliate programs you can sign up for right away. Okay. So until the next time, go ahead and go get your money in affiliates, promote other people's products and services, sign up for affiliates. Okay. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.